By the end of this video, you will know how to add a performance bonus in Gusto. Start by signing in to your Gusto account. Once you are in the main dashboard, go to People. This area lists the employees connected to your account, so it is where you will begin when you need to make a pay update for a specific person. From the People section, select the employee who will receive the performance bonus. Make sure you choose the correct employee before moving on, especially if several profiles have similar names or roles. When you open the employee profile, you will see different tabs with information related to their employment and payroll settings. Next, open the Pay tab in that employee's profile. This is where Gusto stores pay-related details, including recurring compensation and any additional earnings that can be added outside of regular wages. Give the page a moment to load if needed, then look through the available sections until you find additional earnings. Scroll down to the Additional Earnings section and click Add. This opens the option to create a new earning entry for that employee. Gusto may present a menu or a form depending on your account view, but the goal here is the same. You are adding a one-time earning item that will be included with payroll. When the earning type options appear, select Bonus. This tells Gusto that the extra payment should be treated as a bonus rather than another type of earning. Choosing the correct earning type matters because it affects how the payment is categorized in payroll. After that, enter the performance bonus amount. Fill in any other required fields that appear on the form. Depending on your setup, this could include details such as the payroll period or other standard payroll information. Review each field as you go so the amount and any required details are entered correctly. If a field is marked as required, complete it before trying to move forward. Once the form is filled out, review the bonus details on the screen, check that the employee name is correct, that bonus is selected as the earning type, and that the amount matches what you intend to pay. If everything looks right, click Save. This stores the bonus in the employee's pay setup so it can be pulled into payroll. With the bonus saved, run payroll as usual. You do not need a separate payroll process for this step. As long as the bonus was saved correctly, Gusto will include the performance bonus in the employee's next paycheck during the normal payroll run. The performance bonus is now added in Gusto and set to be included in the employee's next paycheck.